Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So before we dive into this project, have any of you ever heard of HTVRont products? They're fantastic for all sorts of crafting endeavors, from HTV vinyl to sublimation tumblers and more. They have a wide variety of crafting goodies, and guess what? HTVRont is on the lookout for the next craft superstar 2023. How awesome is that? Of course, I'm always up for a challenge, and I wanted to submit my video. I would love to have your support throughout this journey, so if you enjoy what you see today and you find it helpful, remember to hit the like button, share with your fellow crafters, and drop a comment below. And let me know if you think I stand a chance at winning the Craft Superstar 2023 title. Let's go ahead and jump right into the heart of today's project. We are going to sublimate with the HTVRont Heat Auto Press and sublimate on a slate rock to create something really special. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the sublimation slate rock that I'm going to use in this project. First, we need to clean the surface with rubbing alcohol to make sure it's pristine and free of any debris. You definitely do not want to rush this step because it's crucial for a flawless finish. Make sure to dry it thoroughly. So I already created my design in Cricut Design Space, and I printed it to my sublimation printer on sublimation paper. So the goal here is to make sure that the design on the paper covers the entire slate rock, so you don't leave any white gaps. So now that our slate is all prepped, we're going to go ahead and trim the excess sublimation paper, and I'm going to place the slate rock on top of the paper. You want to make sure that it is aligned perfectly, and we're going to be using heat resistant tape and make sure that I secure the paper onto the slate as tightly and securely as possible. And the key is to ensure that the paper stays flat against the slate. So make sure to tape all the edges securely. So now comes the fun part, the HTVRont Heat Auto Press. So let's set the temperature to a precise 360 degrees. For this sublimation process, we're going to let it work its magic for 600 seconds. Since the auto heat press has a maximum time of 199 seconds, we'll need to repeat the process a few times. And there you have it. Our project is coming to life. Is this something you're excited to try out for yourself? Thank you so much for tuning in to my different kind of video today. I appreciate each and every one of you, whether you are a familiar face or a new subscriber. So if you enjoyed my video today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, share it with one of your crafty buddies, and let me know your thought in the comments below.